So x of k is 1 by 4. This omega is 2 pi k by n. Now what I will do, I will simplify this e to the power terms. It becomes very easy to simplify this. So I will take out common one of the term to simplify this in terms of cosine and sine. So I will take out e to the power minus j omega common. So what I will get here in place of 1, I will get e to the power j omega plus 1 plus e to the power minus j omega. Clear? So now this equation we all know is equals to 1 plus 2 cos omega e to the power minus j omega, and e to the power j omega gives you 1 plus 2 omega. What's the password? 1 plus 2 cos omega. Clear? So now next step what we will do, I am having 1 by 4 e to the power minus j omega 1 plus 2 cos omega. Student, just wait for few seconds. पासवर्ड क्या है? कंटिन्यूएशन में कांट कनेक्ट. चेक करना पासवर्ड. राम पासवर्ड चेक कर. वो मोबाइल भी दे. So now what I will spatial. देखो दिखाओ. Students, simplify this. So after that, what I will do, I will just substitute omega as 2 pi k by n to simplify it further. So I will get what is k, 2 pi k by what is capital N. Capital N is 3. So I will write here 2 pi k by 3. 2 pi k by 3. After that, now is it audible to all? Okay. So next step to simplify, so you will need calculators also. So I am having the equation as 1 by 4 e to the power minus j omega. What is omega? It is 2 pi k by 3. So I will put here 2 pi k by 3. Then 1 plus 2 cos 2 pi k by 3. This is the equation of x of k. Clear? This is the equation of x of k. Now we all know k varies from 0 to 1 to n minus 1. Now you have to start simplifying. This numerical. So what I will do, first I will put this k is equals to 0. So first value I will put for k is equal to 0. So what I will get, x of 0, because now I want samples in the frequency domain. So x of 0 is equal to 1 by 4. Start simplifying. E to the power 0 will be 1. Okay, then 1 plus 2 cos 0. What is cos 0? Cos 0 is 1 or 0? It is 1. So I will get 1 plus
1.
2 that is 3 and x of 0 value will be equal to, क्या होगी x of 0 की value? It will be equal to 3/4. It will be equal to 3/4. So I will get 3/4 as the first sample of the output. Clear? Then I will start simplifying. So write down in your copy, for k equals to 0, you will get value of x of 0 as 3/4. Next, for k equals to 1, I will simplify for k equals to 1. For next value will be k equals to 1. So for that, what I will get? 1/4 e to the power minus j 2 pi by 3. J 2 pi by 3, 1 plus 2 cos 2 pi by 3. Is it clear? Any problem? Now second value I will find out x of 1. I am writing in the chat box. It is x of 1. So x of 1 के लिए what I will do? I will put k is equals to 1. So what I will get? I will get 1/4 e to the power minus j 2 pi by 3 in bracket 1 plus 2 cos 2 pi by 3. Clear? Now what is the value of cos 2 pi by 3? From calculator you can calculate it. You will get the value. Its value is minus 1 by root 2. 1 upon 0.5 minus 1 by 0.5. Value here is minus 0.5. Yes, very good. Good, Aditi. So what I will get? 2 multiplied by minus 0.5. I will get minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So x of 1 value will be equals to, what is the value of x of 1? It is equal to 0. Clear? I am writing in the chat box. X of 1 is 0. Clear? Now similarly, should I pause or should I continue? Similarly, now k is equals to 2. So I will get x of 2. Okay, x of 2 means I am putting k is equal to 2. Here I will substitute the value of 2. So I will get 1/4 e to the power minus j 4 pi by 3. Clear? E to the power minus j 4 pi by 3. Then 1 plus 2 cos 4 pi by 3 as k is equals to 2. Okay? So 4 pi by 3. What is the value of 4 pi by 3? Okay, so what is the value of x of 3? तो आंसर क्या आएगा मेरा? What are the 3 samples? First sample value is 3/4. Okay. Second sample value is 0. Third sample value is again 0. So this is my x of k and DFT of my signal. Now what you can do? You can plot a graph of these values. As x of n I can plot. X of n क्या होगा मेरा? Y axis is x of n. X axis is x of k. So first sample was 1/4. Again here I got 1/4, 1/4 and 1/4. 3 samples at the input x of n. You can see the screen. This I am plotting graph of x of n. Okay, now I can plot the graph for x of k. So x of k में कितने samples again? We are having 3 samples, out of which first sample is having the value of 3/4 and other samples is having value of 0. This axis represents K. Clear? First sample value is 3 by 4. This is my 3 by 4 value. I can write it. Second sample is 0. Third sample is 0. These are dots, not a line, okay? But I can't represent it properly in this drawing graph. So first sample, only one sample is there. So x of n dft x of k, it is having 3 sample values. I can plot those values. So it is having 3 by 4, 0 and 0. Is it clear? Should I again revise this numerical or should I move ahead with second numerical? Yes, students. You simplified it in your copy. Okay. So should I move ahead? Other students, any doubt, any problem? So you can discuss right now. What are the steps to simplify DFT of any given sequence? Okay, I should move ahead. Clear? Numerical is clear. How to simplify the numerical? Okay. So start simplifying second numerical. Determine DFT of the sequence x of n 1 by 5 for values -1 less than equal to n less than equal to 1. That means again for 3 samples -1, 0 and 1. For -1 less than equal to n less than equals to 1. Otherwise the values are 0. Otherwise the values are 0. So again we are having 3 samples for values -1, 0 and 1. We are having sample values for -1 also. So now start simplifying. Write down the formula of DFT. Here I have written omega directly. And what is omega? Omega is equal to 2 pi k by capital N. So now substitute the value of x of n. It's same. See, if it is different, then you have to mention it clearly with all the values. So again, same steps. You can take out e to the power minus j omega common from this. So you can split this equation in terms of cos omega, where omega is 2 pi k by n. And what is n over here? N is capital 3. But the value and limit lies from minus infinity to infinity. You can put it as -1 to 1. Clear? So now start simplifying the same steps which I have told you earlier. So here omega is 2 pi k by 3. N is equal to 3. Put 3. 1 plus 2 cos 2 pi k by 3. Clear? Now x of k is equal to 1 by 5. 1 plus 2 cos 2 pi k by 3, where k lies from 0 to capital N minus 1. N, capital N is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Again, I will get 3 sample values of x of k. So start simplifying and tell me the answers. X of 0, x of 1 and x of 2. Do it fast. So what is the first sample value? Who will tell the answer? Yes, what is the value of x of 0? It is 2 by 5. X of minus 1, okay. Then next, all are getting this answers. X of 0, 3 by 5. Then x of 1. Please students try to simplify, because direct question of 20 or 15 marks will come on this topic, and you should know how to simplify this numerical. Other students also reply for the answer. And please inform all the students to attend the classes regularly, as we are submitting your record of attendance to RTU. Other students, please verify the answer. And student, take one homework. Determine, write down homework in your copy, which you have to simplify by your own. Determine 4-point DFT for x of n is equal to 1. What are the sample values given to you? One, in bracket you have to write 1, 2, 3, 1. So these are my sample values given to you, x of n. Okay, x of n. So very simple numerical, determine 4-point DFT. And for x of n, 1, 2, 3, 1. Now what I have to find? I have to find x of k over here. So you can simplify it. Okay, what should I repeat? The values. The values determine 4-point DFT for x of n is equals to, in bracket, 1, 2, 3, 1. So find out, that means you have to find out x of k. Use these simple steps to simplify. Then we will discuss in next class its answers, what we are getting x of k, and we will simplify some more numericals of DFT. So is it clear, students? Any doubt? Anything you want to ask? And please inform all the students to attend the classes regularly. Any doubt? I am waiting. Okay, it's clear. Okay, very good. To simplify this numerical, we will continue in next class.